So today we are making some sushi bake. It's a very easy recipe, very simple but so tasteful. I've made this so many times for like potluck events. Everyone's just enjoyed it, so I thought I might film myself making it since I'm making 3 trays of it. These are 2 big Pyrex containers and then 1 small one. This is about 3.5 cups of rice, so I think that's a good amount for this container because you don't really need a thick layer of rice. So I put 2 tablespoons of this. This is the Mirin sweet cooking rice seasoning, and then I put about a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of salt, and then just kind of drizzled furikake all over it. You kind of just have to eyeball it. So we're literally just gonna mix this all together. And then once you finish mixing it, you kind of just want to flatten it so that it's evenly distributed for the first layer. It's about this thick amount of rice, not too thick, but this should be good. Don't mind the dogs, they're just running around in the background. It's almost 6 p.m. so it's time for them to go on their walk soon.
What you cooking, Bobby?
Secret!
Oh, what you want to do later?
I don't know, what do you want to do?
Do you want to watch baseball?
Like in person?
Yeah.
Where?
Anaheim.
Okay, will we make it?
It's at 6:38.
What time is your ETA?
In like 15 minutes.
Okay.
Do you want to or no?
Yeah, I want
just
to.
Asking.
Yeah.
You want to?
Yeah, I want to. But
Really?
yeah, can I will probably finish this in like by the time you get here, but I need help like walking the dogs because I haven't walked them yet.
Okay, Bobby. I mean, we don't have to be on time, but
Oh, that's true. Yeah, we're just there for the laughs.
Yeah, you want to?
Okay.
I want to go if you want to go.
I want to go.
It's free, by the way.
Okay.
Okay, Bobby, I buy it.
You'll buy the tickets now?
It's not free, $7, by the way.
Aw, you're gonna buy me $7 tickets, Bobby?
Yeah, but it's like a $90 ticket if you were to buy it.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Bobby.
Okay, Bobby, I'll be home soon. Wabu.
Okay, Wabu, drive safely.
I will. Bye, Bobby.
Bye, Mom. So I guess we're gonna watch a baseball game. I don't even know who's playing. I don't even know how baseball works. We got ice hockey tickets before to the Ducks game, and it was also in the Honda Center. It was actually fun. They just keep smashing on that glass. I don't think it's even glass, it's like plastic or something. It's so like violent, and they really get into it. They really fight. It's just, I'm sorry, it's just entertaining to watch. It's so dramatic. I'm gonna have to hurry up here. Okay, should be good enough. We also use furikake a lot. It's this brand. It makes a huge difference. We've had the one from Trader Joe's in the past and tried other furikake brands, but this is the best. I got this on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure they have it at like your nearest Asian grocery. We always use it like when we're just eating, like with anything, so we just use it with rice a lot, so I bought 2. We probably need more because this goes by so fast. So now we're gonna make the second layer. It's composed of crab meat. You're gonna use a mango. You can put like salmon or cucumber or anything like that, but I just like to keep it simple, and I just like the crab meat and the mango. I usually use half a cup of QP or QPie, not sure how you say it. It really depends on how creamy you want it to be, and I usually just eyeball it, to be honest. The whole thing goes by really fast. I have a little bit left, but there's barely any, so I bought another one. I use Mexican style 4 cheese. You can see this one's almost gone as well. I just like it because I don't have to grate it and it's already like pre-made and it tastes great. Use whatever cheese you like. I'm just gonna use this whole pack. So everything is peeled. I am just gonna take a knife and we are just gonna chop it. I like to do it a little bit smaller. Just slice these in half. All going to get mixed anyway, so it doesn't really matter. We're gonna cut the mango. I am just going to slice this in half. I guess I have to cut through it. I cut it like it was an avocado. How dumb can I be? I'm gonna cut this in squares. Scrape that off. You can leave some of the squares for like the toppings and everything. It's not necessary, but if you want to, you can. Look at this mango. It smells so sweet. Now that that's done, it's time to work on the magic. Kewpie. I'm gonna use about half a cup of this, or a little bit more than that. It's barely anything in here. Alright, that's done. Do that. That should be good enough cheese. Just eyeball it. It's like fruit salad. Huh?
The dog is eaten?
Not yet, Bobby.
He's not first?
Yeah. The dogs are eating dinner in the background. Okay, now time for the fun part. Make sure it's all the way to the end. I like to use the thick one, so I'm gonna use this one. Just and then top it off with furikake. Ta-da! So the oven is now preheating at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna make it preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes. So we are now gonna put it in the oven. Oh, that's hot. Actually, put this in. These are all done. This one's my favorite, or one of my favorite seaweeds. Got it from 99 Ranch.
It's so good. It's so creamy. Are those mangoes?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we got mangoes in there.
It's with seaweed. Mm. 10 out of 10.